Good day, guys. Checking the bottom of the planter. We can see that it is already worn. So today, let us repot caladium lindenii into a bigger pot. Start by removing the old planter. We will be using around 90% cocoa peat. I would like to see how lindenii will react to cocoa peat medium. Loosen the soil. Gently remove old soil that are covering the roots. As you can see, these baby lindenii plants come from a single bulb. Using bare hands, separate the two bulbs. Also, recycle the old soil by mixing it with the cocoa peat. Gently plant the baby lindenii, but make sure to cover all the roots. For this one, I will allow it to grow bigger before planting in separate container. Just remember to firm the soil afterwards. To cover visible roots, don't forget to add more cocoa peat. Now that we have repotted the lindenii plants, it's time to get them acclimatized in a place with bright indirect light